Love is a skill and an enthusiasm. It is the greatest, richest, sweetest dessert we can share with each other. Today we gather here in this beautiful place to celebrate such love and to recognize the strengths and beauty of the rite of holy matrimony between Brian and Tora.
As soon as I saw you, I knew a grand adventure was about to happen. Our adventures have taken us from the sunset cliffs of Big Sur to the bustling streets of Paris, to incredible Tokyo sushi bars, and atop a hot air balloon across the crumbling temples of ancient Myanmar. And to Tuscany once before as well, where just 2 years ago we hopped a fence and walked half a mile through wheat fields to take a photo by a beautiful deserted little chapel on a hill. And after these 10 years of loving you, being with you, sharing our lives, you still have this amazing capacity to surprise me. And that is why you are so special.
Don't even worry, baby, no need for plans. Think about it later, just take my hand.
And that is why our adventure will never end.
I'm obsessed with your brain. The way you learn things so deeply and thoroughly, you have the ability to do anything you set your mind to. And you become a master of everything you do. You're my new source. My daddy-o used to have that role. And you educate me at all times. You embrace the world with all of its colors and complexities and have an affection for life's most random and wondrous intricacies. Bri, you're truly the coolest person I know. Another thing that's excellent about you, your dance skills.
Come and pick you up. Spend the weekend as a castaway.
Everything that has ever happened has led you to this miraculous moment. In Jewish tradition, the smashing of the glass truly brings you from one life irrevocably into the next as one whole together. One, two, three, Mazel Tov!
Take my hand.